Good morning. Happy Labor Day. Yep, those are little tiny eggs. Here come the Bob Whites. Yep. There's like 100 eggs in here. It's crazy. But what happened was there was a gentleman that, he had so many, he was giving them away. And he basically used the Bob White for eating. Now, I showed you these eggs. Let's see. 23 days. Okay? Yeah. Alright, I'm going to whip over here to these little guys. And I promise you, there's a lot of them. So they might scamper a lot, and I'm trying not to freak them out, but they are skittish, alright? Hold on. These look like quail, don't they? They're very, very tiny. And you wouldn't believe it, but if I lift the heater, you will see a bunch. I'm going to send them the way. Yeah, I'm just putting my hand. They're very skittish. Sorry. You don't want to do this a whole lot. I don't want them to get acidic. There's like 140. There's still some under the brooder because they refuse to come out and they're smart. But here they are. Yes, they're just everywhere. They look like little running mice, but these are Bob Whites. These are Bob Whites. And the markings on them are absolutely, oh wow, beautiful. They're beautiful. Wow, I'm just astounded. These guys are so tiny. If I pick them up, they just look like the regular quail. That's the size they are. I'm going to gently try and grab one. Okay, I think I got one. Yeah. Oh, he's trying to jump out. Oh, don't jump out. Oh, he jumped. Okay. Yeah. I don't mean to do dizzy cam. So sorry. I'm going to pick one. And, okay, wait, hold on. Oh, he jumped out. They're jumping everywhere. Okay. Hi you. Tell everybody how you like your how do you like your new accommodations? You guys are loud. That's why they're in the closet. They are very loud. That's how he's like, oh, I've been violated. But yeah. They're beautiful. Yeah, I like to get the still pictures of them. But anyway, I know this video is really long, but I've never had Bob White not in this capacity. It is amazing. This man just gave them away. And now the ducks, we got them free. I don't know. Are free things good things? I don't know. It's a lot to take care of. And like I said, I had to bring them in the closet. Okay? Ooh, there's a lot of them in here. You can't see them all. Oh, wow. And the gentleman was in his 70s. His 70s. And this was his dinner. I don't know. I don't know if I call it blessed yet or cursed. This is a lot of feeding. And they have lots of room, but I really, really want the best for them. So I do want to separate them because I've already got 2 in the hospital. And I had to put one down. when they first came home with Honeyman, I had to get him out of there. The poor baby was born blind, and he had no ears. He was our Helen Keller. And I said, this is not right. And so we sent him to heaven. Let's put it that way. I can't see that. I can't see that happening. It's a mercy. It's mercy for that baby, okay? You have to understand. These birds cannot live like on one leg. They can live with one eye, as long as they have ears. But they need two legs, or Mother Nature will take care of them anyway. But I can't have them land. So I got two in the hospital. They're just dehydrated, been tramped on. One's got its Band-Aid braces on because he's got one leg just sticking out. I'm like, you're not having this. So he's got Band-Aids on. I got him in the window. Getting warmed up. Because these guys, the first thing that kills them is hypothermia. And it can happen fast. That's why we have the heater on. We have them in the closet. It's a little cooler in my room, but I got my window open because they do need that outside air. It's very important. There's things out in the woods that blow through your house that these birds need. They're originally born in the wild, but they need fresh air. I know I'm raising the birds in the house, but I'm trying to do my best. What's good for them. But right now, I will go insane with these guys. They will get loud. And I'm just going to get quiet to see how loud they get. That's them underneath the heater. Well, good time for dinner, huh? Or lunch. Yep, it's a good time for lunch. Why not go for it? Oh, I think every bird pecks one when they're clear like this. They can see through it. You know, birds are not supposed to have very good eyesight. And as you can see, I'm going to pull this a little closer. And maybe you'll get a chance to see their eyes. See the white? If you, yeah. There we go. Let's get track of it here. But they have white above and underneath their eyes, and they'll look up at me every now and then, and you can, oops, see it there. That white, just like on a lion or a tiger, that is to help them see. Yeah. It will help them see further and better. Yeah. It's amazing how animals are equipped for survival, and we just don't know everything yet, but I know what those white eyes mean. Boy, they're just a bundle of joy. Look at them. Just long as nobody get weak, nobody gets sick, please. This is, I thought the quail, we raised the jumbo quail, And they're not even this size. Well, I don't know. They're, no, they're bigger than this. Yeah. When they're born, they're a little bit bigger than this. But, I love it when they come out in a group and they just look up to the heavens. It's so sweet. Wow. These are the bob whites. Gosh. Baby bob whites. So what happened is this elderly man that came in to Tractor Supply and announced, I've got to get rid of some of these birds. I have so many. And the eggs. And we didn't know what we were getting into. Because these guys, after they go outside, we go to these guys. And, the end is packed to the gills. Except for maybe, look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wow. I'm gonna tell you what, I really would love to own a hatchery. I don't want to see the uckies. Just the gorgeous birds. Yeah. That's lovely. Oh, well. They're all trying to run away through the plastic. Okay. Alright, I know you see these guys enough, and I'm kind of like, yeah, I'm bugging the mess out of them. So I'm going to let you go. And I'll talk to you guys later. I love you. Have a good Labor Day. And it's off to work tomorrow. And school. Oh my goodness. Alright, loves. Bye. Okay, so these are the two that are in the hospital. Yeah, they really look sick, don't they? Woo! I got them in the window, and one of them's mad at me. Is that it? No, not that one. That one was on his deathbed. Don't look like he's dying now. This one right here is the one that's got the band-aids on his legs. Don't want him to go sprawling. He's got one leg out, and I want him little so I can fix it. And he can survive and be, and this one is like, okay, I'm warmed up and I'm ready to get out. If he survives them, I don't know. But the other tweeter, they've been calling to the other bob whites in the closet. So these two are getting loud. All right, here we go. And there's my little ducky boos. Hey guys, what's up? Hey. Hey. Say They look at me like, oh my God, how much longer do I have to put up with this lady? Okay, so they want water. I found out that they really love their crumbles. I know, inside the water. They do. They ate all the water because there were crumbles in there. It was funny. But they had already filled their crawls anyway. And I was like, oh, go ahead. It's always mucky from the food falling out of your mouth anyway. And they just went like a frenzy. It was so hilarious. But they got the opportunity to feel, digging for bugs or bobbing for fish in the water. See, they want more. It's like crack. They're addicted. So, yeah. And they get wet, and I love that noise. Oh yeah, see where they're eating from? I thought that was like caca water. No, that's where they have dropped food down in there. And it's like a delicacy to them. It's hilarious. But they're like, oh yeah, I'm getting the last bit. Uh-huh. Nothing goes to waste, huh? Yep. Oh, they're so sweet. Yeah, and these are blue Swedish, and if you look at their bills, especially in the sun, it looks gray. It's that like slate blue. And these guys are actually the yellow in them. It's a little bit bright. The yellow in their chest will turn white. And from the front of their beak where, the feathers start to the back is going to be black. And their bills and their legs will be blue. And that black will shine that little blue-green tinge. I don't know what it is with me and birds that end up almost bright blue. I don't know. I know when I was a kid, a teenager, we loved to dye our hair black and blue. Yeah. Put a little bit of violet in that black and get out in the sun and it looks blue and it's beautiful. I know, you're over here. Yeah, I'm sorry, I have my hand over the thing. But they're just enjoying life and I'm happy for them. As long as they're happy, I am ecstatic. And you gotta watch for that tail wiggle. Yeah. That's happy stuff. That little tail wiggle. Yeah. Everybody takes their position. Yeah. See, they're so pretty. Yeah. Squeeze in. They're like, oh, okay, you're gonna go lay down. I'm gonna go get some gummies. Yeah, you getting warm? Huh? I got the window open and the heater on, so I watch when they're panting. So I don't want them exerted from the heat, but I need them to go through pretty quick the ugly heat and then the bitter cold. So I'm praying on feathers for that bitter cold. Alright guys, looks like I got one panting. I need to take care of them and control temperature. Alright, love you guys. Have a good Labor Day weekend. Well, today is Labor Day, but tomorrow is Tuesday. Work day. School day. And I'm all alone with the birds. Yay! Okay. Be happy as a duck. Bye.